So we got the Dasai Mochi 3, which is a little guy with a screen on it, which you can put in your car. It's supposed to be a little cute guy. And I have a limited edition one. It's a clear one. Very cool box. This guy ships straight from Australia. Nothing else in the box. On the top we got a little pamphlet. Dasai Mochi. I think it just shows a bunch of faces. So it shows that you can like switch out the helmets. A lot of faces that you can have on this guy, and there's even more on the other side, which is very cool. And they are color now, because I believe before it wasn't color. Alright, cool. Let's go inside the box. I think that's the helmet at the top. Oh, I think the guy's already pre-assembled, so on the bottom we got a cable and stuff, so it's gonna take USB-C, so you can charge it now. You don't have to have it plugged in 24/7. And then I think we have some adhesive pads so we can put it in the car. And then we have the actual Dasai Mochi right here. So if I carefully slide this guy out... Oh, it's so cool! It's the clear helmet, and that's the screen for the Dasai Mochi. And right here you can put the sticky pad and put it in the car. Sorry, my assistant's right there. She's doing the lighting. How would I turn this guy on? How would I turn this guy on? Hold up. Remove helmet to access. Press the 0 button to... Oh, okay. So the on switch is like inside the helmet. That is terrible design. How do I take off the... Ah! Okay, so if you just put the cable in, it makes it very easy to take out. Cool. And then the button... It has sound! Look at that guy. Oh, it's so cool. And as far as I know, it has a gyro. Oh, so that's probably gonna be with speed, but like when you're driving around, it'll actually make different faces now. But yeah, you can see the inside circuits and stuff. Oh, it's so cool. And there's the one face that we have for it. That's so cool. Yeah, so you can just, if you have the cable plugged in, you can just... Oh, how did I do that? Well, looks like we're never getting the cable out. This is gonna be playing while I'm driving around. That's funny. I don't know how you're meant to normally take out the... There we go. You kind of have to have it plugged in, and probably with like the sticky pad. Looks like it's just cycling through them, but I think on the actual instructions it shows us how to change it. So press twice to turn on and off the gyro function, press 3 times to turn off sleep mode, press 4 times to mute. So you can actually mute this guy, which I'm probably might. I can press and hold it to see the battery level, or did I just turn it off? Trying to see the battery life. What the heck? Ah, there we go. So if you press it one time and then you hold it after, like as a separate press, it'll show you the battery life. And you can press twice to turn on and off the gyro, press 3 times to turn off sleep mode, press 4 times to mute. But yeah, that's about everything. I don't really know how to change the faces though. That's something I'm not seeing on the instructions. But I guess we could just throw it into the car then. Huh. Here's the beauty. I put a little red nose and reindeer antlers. So let's get inside this guy. This guy's just going off. So I don't think I can actually set what face it's gonna be on, but it'll just keep cycling. And I guess I could throw him here, or I could throw him on top. But really quickly, I guess let's try to figure that out. Because if I have it right here, I mean, it's cute, but it's sort of distracting. And although I love this, don't know, maybe there might be the best option, but a lot of the glue might be throwing off. Okay, let's start up the car actually. I'm definitely gonna mute it because it's very annoying. So I put it right there. I mean, I can see fine. It's just the part, the gear I'm in is gonna be kind of covered. So I don't know. I'm definitely not gonna put it there. Honestly, that might be like the best place to put it. Oh, I'm having kind of a tough time deciding. So I think I've decided I'm actually gonna put the guy over there, like right behind the, right next to my screen, because it's flat over there, and it's not too distracting, so it's not in the way of like me seeing my stuff here. Because I've seen some videos where they put it here, but it's gonna block my gear. I can't see my odometer. I'm kind of blinded from seeing my direction. I can't see my drive mode and that. Like I can, but only the sides. It's not like a very clear view, and that could be distracting at night. Because I know this is really dumb, and that's why people probably wouldn't like it, because they're like, oh, it's very unsafe and stupid. So I'm gonna have it right here. By the way, it doesn't actually flicker. That just has to do with the camera itself. So I think I'm gonna put it there. But yeah, all I have to do is put this sticky pad. It's two sides. It's Velcro, so I'll just put it under there, and then I can just pull it off anytime I need to charge it. So it's perfect. All right, so I have the sticky pad on here. I just had to peel this off on one side, and I think I got it well. I don't know. It's showing. It looked like it's coming off a little bit there, but I think he's on fine, and it has a timer. So I guess with the timer, it'll just shut off if there's no movement, because the second I start shaking again and turned on. So that's actually perfect, because I was like, how are you supposed to plug it in every single time? That'd be really annoying. So I can just stick it onto there, and we should be good. And this is fun. It's just a cute little thing. All right, and now I have it here. Little Mochi guy. That's so cute. And if I ever need to, I can just pull him off, and I can just charge him. And I can just keep the charger in here in my little side dress. That's awesome. Okay, well, that's pretty much the entire video. I mean, I might throw in clips of it changing faces as I'm driving around. But yeah, that's my Mochi 3 from Dasai. Do I recommend it? I mean, if you have money to just throw around for fun, go ahead. Is it a good or smart investment? No. Does it give you any power gains? Not really, but it's fun. I like little cute things. I think I got it for sale on like Black Friday, or no, I bought it a while ago. It was like $40 or something. It's fun. It's a cute little screen thing, and it's not too distracting. Yeah, I think my next thing should be probably like a speed thingy, so you know, cops don't catch me off guard. All right, bye guys.